If you've ever tried learning cybersecurity, you've probably heard this before. Everything you need is already online. But what no one tells you is how to find it, how to structure it, or even how to begin. That is the exact problem AskSecure was built to solve. This video is the first in my collaboration with AskSecure, a community-first cybersecurity platform doing things differently. And today, I want to show you what they are really about. AskSecure was created for learners who are stuck, not because they lack the passion, but because the path is messy. The internet has content everywhere, but most of these contents are either unstructured, outdated, or too complex to go through. AskSecure bridges that gap by offering structured, mentorship-driven, hands-on training and learning. From curated e-learning to live read and blue teaming sessions, from internships with real-world case studies to digital forensic deep dives, AskSecure is more than just a course learning platform. It is actually a training ground, a simulation hub, a launch pad for defenders. Their internship programs are built from scratch with task-based learning, live sessions, report writings, and certifications for those who earn it. How about your Discord server? Very active, people are there engaging, solving CTFs, sharing tools, and in fact, mentoring one another. AskSecure isn't just for students, it is for the entire cybersecurity ecosystem. Learners, professionals, and even organizations. They run awareness sessions, community events, and they are even actually prepping for global CTF competitions, university collaborations, and even releasing tools as soon as they are done. This is why I have partnered with AskSecure, because it is not just about making content, it is about being a part of something that is helping and actually helping people to grow and break right away into the space. In the coming videos, we'll cover beginner mistakes, walkthroughs, tools, maybe even jump into the CTFs or case-based simulation. If you've ever felt lost or overwhelmed trying to learn cybersecurity, I genuinely think AskSecure is worth checking out. Check them out through the link in the description below. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll break this journey down step by step. This is Zeteo, and this is just the beginning.